Today, we're going to build an AT-ST using 10 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
I'm going to start with this 1x1 round plate with hole in the stud. It's very important that we have that hole in the stud. And then I'm going to get two 1x1 plate pieces and just put those two 1x1 plate pieces on top of my round 1x1 plate like this. And then the next thing I'm going to do is grab a minifigure neck bracket. And what I'm going to do is where the minifigure's neck would go, that's going to go on the top stud and go down. So that stud is now on the side of my three plates here. And then on top of that side stud, I'm going to put a cheese wedge slope. I'm going to guess the cheese wedge slope, the thin end is on the top and it's sloping down to the bottom. And here I've kind of created the head of my AT-ST. And now to create the legs, I'm going to grab this T-bar piece and I'm going to put it so that that T-bar goes into that 1x1 round plate with hole. That's why we want the hole in there, and just stick it in there like this. And then for the chicken legs of our AT-ST, I'm going to grab one of these robot arm pieces. And notice how the clips are facing the same direction. Sometimes they're like one's turned at a 90-degree angle, but you want the ones with the same direction. And then it curves here where that crook is, where that little bend is. You don't want to put that in the back of your AT-ST. So it bends out like this, and you put it back like that. And that's going to kind of those chicken legs that got on the AT-ST. And we're going to get to both of those clips. And then once those clips are in, we're going to grab these 1x1 round plates with the bar handle and clip those into the other end of my robot arms. And those will be the feet to my AT-ST. But when I'm done, I've got a little little AT-ST ready to stomp out those rebels who are trying to destroy the shield generator on Endor.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.